Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you from my Ielts masterclass. Actually, it's evening, Saturday evening, and mock test is over and we are doing these recordings. Well guys, very recently I have noticed one thing, that in the last exam which was conducted I guess on 20th November and then the result was announced, many students got 4.5 band in reading. And they are literally unhappy with their reading band score. Apart from reading, they have achieved their desired band score, but just because of reading, they'll have to take their IELTS test again. Now, some students ask me, sir, should we apply EOR, inquiry on results, on reading? And I say no. On reading and listening, EOR is useless, so you will take your IELTS test again. Why does this happen? The first thing is reading test was quite complicated. The second thing is many students are sure, they are 100% sure that they did IELTS reading very well. But let me tell you again, I'm not going to blame British Council or IDP, I'm going to talk to you about yourselves. What happens? Sometimes you write the trap answer and you are so much confident about that trap answer that I am 100% sure that this is my right answer or this is the right answer. So, you should be very careful about it. And I advise you all to follow my videos on academic IELTS reading as well as on general training IELTS reading so that you'll be clear about it. Now, one of my students, basically when you are unhappy with your result, you can apply for EOR, that is what we call inquiry on results. So one of my students, he applied inquiry on results on 30th October 2021 IELTS exam. When he got the result, he was happy with his band score, but he was unhappy with his writing band score. Check, listening 7, reading 6.5, writing 5.5 and speaking 6. Now, if you need 6 each and you get 5 or 5.5 in one module, you cannot use that IELTS TRF. You have to try again. But actually, this student of mine, he decided to go for EOR, inquiry on result. And after EOR, when the result was announced, he got increment in his band score, and you can see his band score increased from 5.5 to 6 in writing. So guys, I've made this message, EOR message, where I've given all the details. I've mentioned there are 11 points and you need to consider these 11 points when you are going to take, whether you should take EOR or not. Just text me on my WhatsApp and I'll send you that. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.